I'm not gonna lie to you, you won't clear it.
Send it!
Fully commit, first try. All right, guys, we are super excited to be here today at the Fremont Skate Park with
Emma, Skates.
She is going to learn a new trick. What are you gonna learn today?
I'm going to ollie the, what's it called?
Can we ever do a trick that I can do so I could be in the video maybe? No, we cannot do this.
Yes, you can.
No.
Do it.
Okay, so my name's Aaron Cairo. I'm a sponsored skateboarder from the San Francisco Bay Area. And today, we're gonna teach Emma some tricks. And by tricks, I mean trick. All right, well, what do we do? I guess you just run this video and I'll do my best to cheer you on, be your sidekick.
So, I think I have to go fast.
And commit?
No, help me.
How was that? Don't touch me with it. Go fast and commit. Where do you want to start? You want to warm up?
Yeah, let's warm up.
Okay.
All right, what you gonna do?
Tell me if this is smart. Like,
Okay.
start here, and then instead of ollieing straight there, like ollie to that side.
Only did that? Why would you do that?
To like get a feel of it, to see if I can make it far enough.
Just do whatever you want.
Okay.
Weird?
Weird, but I can do it if you
Like
want.
for real?
No,
this is
like-
75 feet across. Nobody can jump. I couldn't jump this on a snowboard.
Okay, what if we do, the first time I do it, I come this way, and then the second time I go that way?
Sure.
Yeah?
Do whatever you want.
Okay.
It's because you went that way.
That was literally the world's worst ollie. It was like a giraffe that got shot in mid-air and was dying and then landed sideways and still somehow maintained composure to roll away. Okay, okay.
Okay, would I have made it over?
I'm not gonna lie to you. Yeah,
No.
Go a tiny bit faster.
your board probably would have landed about there.
Okay, faster.
Ricky, can you help us?
Wait, we need a translator!
G'day, mate.
This is Ricky. He came all the way from Australia.
There you go. Steez!
Emma's gonna learn how to ollie over this, and you can just like go ham.
A
Boom.
little bit more speed, I reckon.
When he
Okay,
says
I
he
reckon.
reckons, he means like maybe that's what you try.
I reckon.
Like, a little bit more speed, I reckon. And then you say, that would be good as.
So if I went to Australia and I said give it a full wang danga, would they know?
They would know. But you say good as is a good one.
That would be good as, but good as what?
That's what you say. You just say good as. You don't even need to say what.
You don't know what.
I think we might have to censor this. All right, Emma,
That
sorry.
time when I've cleared it.
I'm not gonna lie to you. You won't clear it.
You gotta give it like one
Okay.
more good push.
Do it again. I'm gonna film in slow-mo to get your confidence up and
Okay.
show you where you'll land.
But it's also because she's going to the side. She's jumping extra distance by going to the side. If she's going straight on, she's gonna get more momentum going forward.
Gabe, this isn't a science video. It's just a skateboard video.
You're right, I'm just gonna shut up.
I reckon Ricky has a tool, and he taught me that we could do a trick good as. Oh my
So you know it's weird.
Hey, that was good
I was
as.
gonna ask you to go to flat.
God! Hey, that was so good as!
I'm
Oh!
going very slow.
Okay, hold on, let me show you.
That's
Definitely
good
would have
speed.
cleared that one.
That's good speed. Yeah, I ride my kangaroo to work when I'm in Australia.
He rides his kangaroo to work, Aaron.
Don't, come on. That's just
Am I taking this?
racist. But for real, have you seen a crocodile?
Yeah. The crocodiles are only at the top part of Australia. So you can go on like a boat tour and like see and go to like feeding shows and stuff. Yeah.
Yes, that was good.
Fully cleared.
That was good.
Yeah, fully cleared. Fully
Okay.
cleared it. And Gabe, Bill Nye, the science guy, says you're also going sideways, so you're actually going further than you would if you just went straight.
No, you're going less far.
So faster.
No, you're fine.
Oh.
I'm saying, no, just go. You got it. You'll
Go
clear
as
it.
fast
Go
as
that
you-
speed.
Go as
I don't think I cleared it. Did I clear it at that time?
Yeah, easily.
He reminds me, you know the show H2O, the mermaid show with the Australian people? Somebody will know what I'm talking about. He's like the blonde guy.
Yeah?
Yep,
Sick.
it's on Netflix. Get on it.
Wait, do they have mermaids in Australia?
Yeah.
Aaron, can we go shark diving
Yeah,
in
actually
a cage?
we should.
I would love to go. Like, seriously.
I'm not gonna lie, first time I've ever ollied this today.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, nice, dude.
That's good speed.
That's good, you would have made it.
I lost
There you go.
momentum.
It's okay. I like the pop, though. Weird.
Oh my gosh, that was so scary. I was like flying for a second.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy. Okay, here's what I'm thinking. Don't do the bumps.
Okay.
Yeah, just leave them out. Give it another go.
Wow. But they're still there. There's no avoiding them.
Emma, what are you doing? You said you had this.
I do have this.
Then do it. What are you waiting for? Jeez.
Okay.
Come over here. You're gonna roll up and down this side of the pyramid and then go straight at it.
Okay.
Sure, the bumps are like there a little bit, but it's not that bad. Okay, you ready? Follow me and fully commit.
Okay. Ooh. It's because my shoes untied.
Oh, uh-huh.
Okay, this try.
I was recently in a car accident going about 80 on the Bay Bridge, and that was way scarier. I almost ended, everything almost ended.
You got it, Emma.
I'm not going fast enough. I was not going fast enough.
Come on, you got this.
Oh, he's pushing the whole way.
Holy crap.
Yeah, boy.
Dude, I would have done that one.
You know, but you're still jumping to the side. Like you're not even staying over your board.
Here, do this. Even if you bail, jump over the gap. Right here, land here. Bail if you want, like kick your legs out if you want, but just land here and then you'll be like, I'm over the gap, I'm over the fear.
Wow.
There was wind. There was wind. The wind was slowing me down.
All I hear are excuses right now.
There was wind.
Get up
Do you
out
not feel
there
it?
and full
It's
send.
like, okay, full send. I wasn't going fast enough, was I?
Jump it!
Ah! I feel like I'm
Emma,
going too,
jump straight.
I feel like I'm going too fast without
You're
the
not.
bumps.
You're not. You just got to
I'm going
ollie.
too slow. I feel like I'm going too
You're just not
slow.
jumping. No, it's perfect. Everything is perfect, you're just not going over it.
Okay.
You're bailing.
Yes, Emma, that was it.
Right here.
Yes. Send it.
Oh my gosh. See, I was like crooked. I almost hit the ledge.
Aaron, what are you trying, dude?
I don't know anymore. Come on! Okay, just think like Goku and Super Saiyan it.
Hey, you know
Okay.
what she said
Just
to me
like this.
before this?
What?
You know what she said to me?
What did I say?
She said that she's been practicing rolling up all into the side. She said as soon as I commit first try, I'm doing it.
See, that's just like, I still haven't committed first try.
Right
That's the
here,
problem.
right here. Fully commit, first try. Hi, Emma.skates. What up? Oh my gosh!
I told you first commit.
She did it!
See, hey,
She
hey,
said
hey.
it was-
I
she
said
she
first
was gonna
commit.
do it. Sorry, go ahead. I won't cut you off.
I said first commit, and I did a first commit.
Boom! First commitment done.
There we go.
That was amazing.
That was so easy.
Right?
Yeah.
Now I guess you gotta do the handrail.
Or I can kickflip this.
No, that's crazy. That was good. Well, it's good. Video? Ender? Okay, tell me everything. How did that go, Emma.skates?
It was like, I was like worried at first. I don't know why I was worried, but I was.
It's mental, right?
Yeah, it's mental. So I started
Scary.
ollieing to the side, and then that messed me up because then I couldn't go straight, and then I did it, and it was really easy. So I don't know what the lesson was. But it was easy.
He's flying out of the frame. So for people trying this at home, at their home skate park, what would you tell them? What advice could you give them that could help them learn it?
I would say just go fast and then like commit, and don't overthink it. Like don't roll up too many times. Like if you see it, go fast and just ollie it. But make sure you like are able to do it.
Make sure you're ready for that, you know? Make sure you're ready. So I guess, you know what we probably should have done is had you ollie this a few times just from flat. Yeah, so if you guys are doing that, build yourself up. Don't just go like, okay, first day on a skateboard, let me clear this gap. Super well done. You absolutely crushed it.
Yeah.
Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes, you have to learn how to skateboard. It's your time. Get started. Let's go.